Hi, welcome to CAD. In this video, we show you a simple example of replace surface in CATIA V5. So, here we have a motor mount. Now as you can see, the motor position has changed, and thus I need to update the position of the bracket and the holes as well. We can do this by replacing the master surfaces that I have copied to originally create the geometry. To do this, right-click Replace the original surface. Then select the new updated surface. You may now have to reselect the edges on the new surface if they were linked to any geometry you've created. Repeat the process as many times as required. Make sure Auto Update is off. Once all the surfaces have been replaced along with all the edges reselected, you should be able to do a global update to apply changes. Here I will update each part body one by one, just in case there are any errors. And there you have it! A simple step-by-step guide on how replace surface can be utilized. Make sure to hit subscribe for more.